All right, by request, video of a vac pot brewing. So every time I do these with one hand, that's when I learn, what are the limitations of trying to video this thing and point it out. But here I like to keep a gap right here while this water's heating up until it gets ready. You can see all these little bubbles. It's getting ready to boil, so it's pretty hot. And I'm trying to look through the camera and do this at the same time. So we got our coffee up here, Corey glass rod for a filter. This is not the only option. That's just one option that doesn't involve any kind of cloth filters that have to be washed or anything like that. But so this is looking a little bubbly, ready to go. So we'll see what happens. I'm just gonna now close this guy up. Try to get a video from here to see what happens. But this tube right in the middle, what's going to happen is this water heats up. It's going to rise through the center of this tube and start to get in here. So we'll see how that goes. I'm going to bump the heat up a little bit here, help speed up this process. Maybe you can see that happen as it goes. Okay, maybe this water level is starting to move. Just keep an eye on that middle tube and this, and then eventually we'll get up here in just a minute. So yeah, if you notice this water now, I'm gonna go ahead and stir this a little bit. So now I definitely want to turn this down. A little bit of water is always going to stay in the bottom there, but now all of our water is up top. Want to try to hold that for about a minute. Just keep this flame down to a minimum just to keep that boiling and hold all that water up top. So I'm probably not going to wait a full minute because I don't know how long it's been looking through different things, but that's what's happening. Let me go ahead and kill this. And the next idea is to move it off of the heat. Try to see what's gonna happen. I might move. I'm gonna move the whole shebang. We're taking a walk. So you can see what's happening now. Pulling out of the top. Now there's no more heat. Boom.